Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on Google Keep. If you're not familiar with it, get ready to learn something really cool and really helpful. I have found that Google Keep has helped me organize my life in a really simple, easy way. So first things, what is Google Keep? Google Keep is a way of taking notes, all the lists that we need in our lives. It's a way to have it in one place and accessible from pretty much any device that you can use Google products on. So how do you find Google Keep? Well, it is already installed. When you get a Gmail account, you already have this suite of applications, and Google Keep is this little yellow note with a light bulb on it. And just like so what shows up here is customizable. So my Google Keep is up here because typically I tend to use it, but if it isn't, your Google Keep might be farther down, but you are able to customize it and move it to wherever you want it to be. So to launch it, you're going to go to this little grid of dots, and you're going to find Google Keep, and you're going to click on it. So this is what it will look like, and you can create notes on it. You can, so I'm going to just show you an example. So I'm going to give it a title. I can say home or today's to-do list. Okay, I can give it a color. I can say I want my to-do list to be blue because it's a nice calming color, and then I can start adding items to it. I can say do laundry. Okay, and I can add check boxes to it, and I really love check boxes because the satisfaction you get when you check an item off and that disappears off your list is something else. So you're going to go to these three dots here, and you're going to say show check boxes. So now you have a checkbox next to it. I can add additional things like record a video or vacuum, I don't know, whatever is on your to-do list for today. You can add reminders. So if you want to get a reminder to say, hey, look at your to-do list, you can set a reminder at a certain time and save it, and then you will get a reminder. It'll pop up on your device. You can share it. So just like you share your Google Calendar, you can share it. So I'm going to share this with my other account. You can share it with family members, colleagues, and then they can see them too. Okay, so it's been shared with me, my different account. You can change the colors. You can add different backgrounds to it if you would like to just give it a little bit more pizzazz. I'm going to not do that right now. You can add images to it, and this I have found really helpful. So I'm going to show you, well, let's just try adding an image to this. I don't know what image I have. Here is, I think, just a Quordle image. So this is nothing really useful, but I can add this to my to-do list. So it's going to show up in my to-do list. And the reason I like being able to add images is I actually have created a list that has all the important things that I need. For example, here, I'm going to create another list. I'm just going to call it important info. Okay, and on this list, so this is important info. I'm going to give it a different color. I'm going to make it yellow, and in here I have added in the account where I usually have all my to-do lists, I have added my the license plate for my car. I have added my license for speech pathology, both my national license and my state licenses. All the bits of information that you need to pull up from time to time. Oh, my health insurance card, my dental insurance card, all the things that you need And then, you know, you don't always have it handy, or you're at the hotel lobby trying to check in, and they're like, what's your license plate? And you're like, oh, you have to go back outside and get it. So this has really come in really, really handy. Okay, so I'm just going to add a random image to this just to show you what it would look like. Here, Sneezy's Snowman. This is a book that I probably use with some of my kids. So I've added that to my list. So now in my important info, the picture will show up. And of course, I'm able to delete it if I don't want it anymore. I can delete it by clicking this little trash can here. You can rearrange your notes, so you can change the order in which you are able to see them. You can archive them if you have too many. You can get rid of some. You are also able to copy it to Google Docs. So let me show you what that does. So if I say copy to Google Docs, it creates a Google Doc basically that here, let me show you. So it creates a Google Doc that has the same items in it. Okay, don't know if that would come in handy, but sometimes maybe you might need to do that. So anyways, this is a really, really, really cool tool, and the best part is that I can access it on my phone as well. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like on my phone. These are the two lists that I just created, and if I add something on here, let me see, under important info, I'm gonna add this is a test. If I could type correctly, this is a test. I'm gonna add my checkbox because I really like checkboxes. I added this is a test. Okay, there it goes. And now if I refresh my page here, it showed up. So you can edit it anywhere and it all syncs, and I have found this to be a really, really helpful tool. I hope you find it helpful too. Let me know if you do end up using it. Let me know what you think.